Hi, girls. Hi, Stella and Julia. Can you blow him a kiss? Can you blow him another kiss? Blow him a kiss. Weston, can you blow one more kiss? Hey, can you blow a kiss? Good. Can you say hello? Hello? You put your phone up to your ear. Say hello. Hey, look at Mama. Hello? There he is. Say hi, girls. I miss you. How big is Weston? So big. Can you dance? How big is Weston? How big is Weston? So big. Hello? We're on our phone. Okay, wave bye-bye. Say we love you, girls. We miss you. Can you wave? Bye-bye.